multiplication of polynomials. Now we have another way to multiply, may be done by a procedure similar to the multiplication of whole numbers. So we take one term of the multiplier at a time and multiply it to each term of the multiplicand. In putting down the partial products, we take care to put similar terms in the same column. When term by term multiplication is finished, then we combine similar terms. Okay, given natin, number 1, multiply 4x squared minus 5xy plus y squared by 2xy. Ito ang ating solution. So, ating munang write ang ating multiplicand. 4x squared minus 5xy plus y squared. Then, ang ating multiplier, itong 2xy. Okay, take note po ha. Gaya na pag-multiply ng whole numbers sa multiplication, yun ang ating gagawin. Okay, next, ating nang simulan. Itong first term ng ating multiplicand, multiply natin. 2xy times 4x squared equals 8x cubed y. Okay? 2 times 4, that is 8. Then variable, x squared times x, that is x cubed. Then copy itong y. Next, ito namang middle term sa ating multiplicand, ating multiply. 2xy times negative 5xy. So that is negative 10x squared y squared. Okay? Next, ito namang last term, ating multiply sa last term ng multiplicand. 2xy times positive y squared, that is positive or plus 2xy cubed. So itong ating product, 8x cubed y minus 10x squared y squared plus 2xy cubed. Try this. It's your turn. Comment your answer.